Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some bathroom cleaning inspiration, as well as I'm going to be refreshing the decor here for spring. I'm going to add a couple new touches to this bathroom, just decor pieces, but of course before I do any of it, it needs to get deep clean because there is tons of just everyday use mess in here. It was freezing rain outside, so I couldn't get as much natural light in here as I was hoping to, and adding an extra light would have been just in the way. So we're working with what we've got. I also want to mention that this video is part of a collaboration that is hosted by Mrs. Mei Chi, and her co-host is that Sierra. Their channel links will be in the description box, as well as the playlist for you to check out for even more bathroom cleaning inspiration. So I'm starting off by adding a toilet bowl cleaner into the toilet, tidying up everything, and then I'm going to spray down my sink, let it soak up a little bit, and then I'm also going to clean my mirrors. So for the sink cleaning, I'm just using Mrs. Meyer's bathroom cleaner, and for the mirror I am using the Method mirror glass cleaner. This bathroom cleaning routine is part of my weekly cleaning routine, and I also do kind of a daily tidy and wipe down of the bathroom, so that way it's clean looking all the time. I'm not always on top of things, but I try to be as much as I can. Also, my dog sleeps in the master bathroom, and there's always dog hair everywhere, so I try to vacuum it up several times a week just to prevent from hair getting everywhere. I am thinking that I should get one of those brushes to clean my tub. I've seen them on Amazon. I would love to know if you have one of those, just so I don't have to climb into the bathtub to clean it. And if you do have one of those, let me know if you like using it, if it works any good. Now that I had everything cleaned up, I'm going to start with decorating. I'm just going to play around here to see if I can add something different or stick to the same. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Sonja, and over here on my home channel, I share tons of decorating inspiration, cleaning motivation, and also lots of home organization. And now I'm also including some of my home renos. So if this is something that you think you will enjoy, make sure you hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. And if you're feeling adventurous, make sure you check out all my other channels, which are linked in the description box as well. A lot of my decor that you see here is homemade, DIY'd, and I share that over on my DIY channel. Like I said, the links will be in the description box.
More out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. We won't regret this. Let's kiss the past goodbye. I'm longing to live this free life I've been hearing about. You will see us howling like wolves in the night. 'Cause nothing is stronger than wanting what you might get. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. Ain't no worries, ain't no worries. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you? Oh, 'cause as long as we're together, home can be a million different things. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. Yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. Ain't nothing but a one way. We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud.
So here it is all done. I just love how fresh and clean it looks, and I do like all the decor that I have added. Around the tub it's still a work in progress, but I think I'm getting closer to achieving the look that I like. So make sure you check out the hosts and co-host channels as well as the playlists, which are linked down below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you have enjoyed this video, and if you are new, stopping by for the very first time, I would love it if you considered subscribing. Those of you that are returning, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.